Student, let's see the properties of ethanoic acid for class 10th. What are the properties? First one is, student, the first heading is what is esterification. This is esterification. What is esterification, student? Formation of ester. Formation of ester from where you are going to form, student? Formation of ester from ethanoic acid. This is what is ethanoic acid and alcohol right, student? Ethanoic acid and alcohol in presence of what? In presence of concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 is called what, student? Is called esterification. So keep in mind, student, what do we mean by esterification reaction? That is formation of ester from ethanoic acid and alcohol in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Now here is, student, you see here is CH3COOH and here you are treating with C2H5OH. What you are going to take, student? Concentrated H2SO4, right? So what you are going to do, student, here you are removing the water molecule. So what is going to form the product, student? CH3COOC2H5 plus it is going to give, student, H2O. This is what is called, student, ester. Next one is what is, student? Saponification. SAPO, saponification. So student, if you are talking about saponification reaction, so ester you are converting ester into the soap molecule, student, soap molecule. So in saponification reaction, it is reverse of the esterification reaction. So here we are taking ester, student, this one ester. So CH3COOC2H5 and this is treated with the what, student? NaOH. So if you are treating with the NaOH, what will happen, student? This molecule is going to get break here and here is. So what will happen, student? This is, you can see how the product is getting formed. So here is, it is forming CH3COONA. CH3COONA plus it is C2H5OH. This is what is the, student, soap molecule, and the reaction is what is called saponification, in which what you are doing, student, you are treating the esters with what, student? You are treating with the sodium hydroxide. So it is going to give the soap and alcohol molecule. Now next reaction, if you are talking about, student, the properties of carboxylic acid is what? Reaction with what? NaOH. Reaction with NaOH. If you talk about reaction with NaOH, this is also known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Our student, in the neutralization reaction, it will give salt and water. Here you can see CH3COOH plus you are taking NaOH, student. What it is going to give, student? CH3COONA. This is the salt plus it is going to give water, student. So how the reaction is taking place? H is from the acid, OH is from the base, so it is giving water, and here is CH3COONA. The fourth reaction is what? Reaction with bicarbonate. Reaction with bicarbonate. Now student, if you see bicarbonate, so what will be the possible reaction, student? So here is CH3COOH plus what is there, student? It is the acetic acid, and bicarbonate formula is NaHCO3. So what you can write, student? CH3COONA. This is what the first one. Then it is going to give, student, salt over CO2 plus H2O. So if you are treating with the bicarbonate, it is giving salt plus CO2 plus water. Fifth one, with carbonate. If you are talking about with carbonate, student, so what it is going to give, student, with the carbonate? With carbonate, same product it is going to give, student, CH3COOH plus Na2CO3. So what is it is going to give, student? CH3COONA. You can take, this is 2 molecule, student. So here 2 molecule plus CO2 plus H2O. So this is all about the chemical reaction of the carboxylic acid. Total 5 reactions are there, student. Thank you.